Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is in your red paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the unit. As we come around towards the back here, you can see it is equipped with your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Your backup camera included there as well. Your power lift gate. Just to check out some of the space back here, so you can see in that cargo area, tons of room back there to store your gear bags kind of out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor liners included throughout the entire unit, so you can see you even have your cargo one back there. So again, just your power lift gate option. So just to check out some of the features inside here, so the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers, so you can see you can get 3 passengers in that second row, plenty of room back there for them to sit quite comfortably. The seats themselves are a leather seat, so again offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top you do have your dual pane sunroof. And up front, your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface. So you do have access to all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls, your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to some of the apps that are included in through there, navigation, your Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. And just below that, access to, again, just your basic audio media controls, climate controls. In through your center console area, you can see you do have your media port hookups just in behind there. Keyless entry is included, so you do have your push button start, key fob for the unit here. You do have remote start equipped as well, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to your cruise control options. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left-hand side. Audio media controls just in behind the steering wheel. And of course all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee's got a great blend of features included in it. If you have questions about this specific Jeep or any other vehicles on our lot, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.